Hi APK, welcome to Storytime. I have all of your names in our special box. We'll go ahead and give that a shake, 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 and we'll pick out 7 friends to be our friends of the week. Our first one is Mason, you're our friend of the week. The next one is Daryl, you're our friend of the week. Chase, you're our friend of the week. Poppy, you're our friend of the week. Evelyn, you're our friend of the week. Dawson, you're our friend of the week. And the last one is Chase, you're our friend of the week. Okay, friends, we'll go ahead and get started. Hi friends, welcome to Storytime. Our Storytime this week is about our new month, which is April. And as the saying goes, April showers bring May flowers. So our Storytime is all about rain. You put your hands up with me, we'll go ahead and get started. Open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, fold them in your lap. Now it's time to read. Let's turn our listening ears on. Good job. Our first story is called Water Song. You'll have to watch for all of the animals in this story. Drip, drop, plip, plop. I see 2 animals. There is a fox and a frog. Pitter, patter, pat. See all the rain coming down? Twinkle, splutter, sprinkle, splatter. You see the fox? He's walking through a puddle. There's some snails on this page. Spitter, spatter, splat. Some beautiful flowers. Splish, splosh, swish, swash. There's some new animals on this page. What animal says quack, quack, quack? The duck. Squish, squelch, clap. The fox jumped in the water and all the ducks flew away. Twinkle, dribble, gurgle, bubble, babble, bubble. That's all the sounds of the water. There's a lake. Pop, wish, wash, wham. Crash, whirl, bash, swirl. Hiss, slap, slam. There's a ladybug. Whoosh, sigh, whoosh, sigh. Sprout, grow, bloom. What's happening outside? What's trying to come out? Ripple, shimmer, tumble, glimmer. The sun is trying to peek out. And look what the rain and the sun made. A beautiful rainbow. Sparkle, glitter, glow. That silly fox made his way back to his mama and his sister, didn't he? All right, friends, we are ready for a song. We're going to do the weather song. Sunny, 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 it is sunny in the sky. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, it is sunny in the sky. Cloudy, 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 it is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. cloudy. It is cloudy in the sky. Rainy, 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 rainy. It is rainy in the sky. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. It is rainy in the sky. Now it's windy. Windy, windy. It is windy in the sky. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. It is windy in the sky. Now it's snowy. Snowy, snowy. It is snowy in the sky. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy. It is snowy in the sky. Hopefully the snow will stay away until next winter. All right, friends, our next story is called Little Cloud by Eric Carle. This is the same author as The Very Hungry Caterpillar, if you remember that book. All right. The clouds drifted slowly across the sky. Little Cloud trailed behind. The clouds pushed upward and away. Little Cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of the houses and the trees. See the little cloud. The clouds moved out of sight. Little Cloud changed into a giant cloud. First, Little Cloud changed into a, do you know what this animal is? A sheep. Sheeps and clouds sometimes look alike. Little Cloud changed into an, what's this one, do you know? An airplane flying through the clouds. Next, Little Cloud changed into a shark. Little Cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Next, the Little Cloud changed into, what are these? Trees. Two different kinds of trees. Next, Little Cloud changed into a, do you know what this animal is? A rabbit. Little Cloud loved to watch the rabbits dance across the meadow. Next, Little Cloud changed into a, goes on your head, a hat, because Little Cloud changed into a clown and he needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little Cloud, they called, come back. Little Cloud drifted towards the other clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big giant cloud. And what did it start doing outside? Rain. It's raining. That is one giant cloud. All right, friends, we are going to do our ABCs now. Are you ready to do them with me? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay, friends! Nice job. All right, our last story is about the big umbrella. There is an umbrella by the door. Do you know what color the umbrella is? Red. And I see a raincoat and some rain boots. It is very big. It is as big as it is friendly. It likes to help. It likes to spread its arms wide. Do you see the rain coming down? It loves to give shelter. It loves to gather people. It doesn't matter if you are tall, like Big Bird, or if you are hairy, or plaid. It doesn't matter if you have 4 legs. Some people worry that there won't be enough room under the big umbrella. But the amazing thing is, there is enough room. Look at all those people under that big giant umbrella. Oh, look what's starting to peek out. The sun. There is always room for everyone. Now that it stopped raining, look where they are. In the park. Lots of fun things to do at the park, isn't there, friends? All right, friends, we are going to finish up with our goodbye song. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you again next time. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you again next time. See you again next time. Bye, friends. I'll see you next time.